Okay, so we're going to talk about in-text citations for videos. It's very similar to what you just learned about for an article or a book or anything like that. After you watch a video and you were to quote or cite information from a video, you need your parentheses and the author of the video or like the channel name and then the time that your quote happened. So let's go back to this, which is linked as important reminders. You should have already looked at this before the video. But remember, when you use in-text citations, you must have you have to introduce the evidence. So this could be the text says, the video explained, the text states, anything like that. But those words are so important so that the reader knows where your information is coming from. You then need quotation marks around the words you are citing from your source. Remember, it's plagiarism if you're using the exact words and not putting quotation marks around them to say they're not your own. You also need to put parentheses after your quote and all your information. You have to put parentheses, and in those parentheses, you include the author's last name and the page number, or for video, in this example, a time signature. So let's look at a video real fast. We're not going to watch it. I'm just going to explain it. Maybe you were asked to write an essay all about how to make a hot chocolate bomb. If you haven't seen these, they're super cool. They're basically a hot chocolate mix in a mold of chocolate, and then you put that in a cup and dump warm water over it, and it like breaks away and mixes all together. So cool. So let's say that was something you had to watch, and you were trying to write an essay and giving the steps of how to make a hot chocolate bomb. So if I come back here would be my sentence as a cite or in my paragraph. So I say the video says the easiest way to push the chocolate out is directly at the bottom because that is where the thicker chocolate is. You can see I wait to put a period to the very end because I need to say where it's from. So here's the name of the channel and then the time signature or what time you could find this quote in the video. So you will notice I have my intro to my quote, right? I have my explanation. The video says, I then have my quote with quotation marks. Sorry about the email. So I have the quotation marks and a quote. Those are the exact words. I have my parentheses, and then you can see I put the channel name and then the time signature. That's all there is to it. So good luck. So now if I was to go back here to this time signature, I could go to the video and click 3:14, and you'll hear that sentence that was just in my paragraph.
I find that the easiest way to push the chocolate out is directly on the bottom because that's where the thicker chocolate is. Don't use the edge or anything.
There you go. So you have to make sure you continue to follow these steps.